Alright guys, just a quick one here. Now in my last video I said I would post a part 2 of this triangular craft, TR3A, TR3B, Black Manta, the Aurora, what Delta Wing, whatever you want to call it. And I told you guys that I would be playing other anomalies that I found on this particular YouTube channel. Now this guy has 4 cameras pointed up to the sky 24/7 out of Virginia. I believe it's near Mount Jackson. By the way, a lot of military training facilities in that area, tons of UFO sightings. We'll go over that at the end out of this area. But I told you guys that I would show, you know, the other anomalies that I found. I probably have 10 different videos that I need to make, but what you're about to see, by the way, this is my last video, go check it out. Thank you for all the comments. But what you're about to see is one of, I'm going to say, the best, maybe top 3, top 5 videos, UFO videos I've ever seen in terms of the USS Nimitz off the coast of California. Of course, we're talking about the Tic Tac, the Go Fast, the Gimbal, Commander Fravor, and that's what I believe we're about to look at. I'm going to let the video play through for like another minute here, or maybe 30 seconds. Bear with me. Do not skip this video. I mean, I'm telling you guys, I don't disappoint. I don't make false claims. You just have to see what I'm talking about here. But it's important that I play my last video for you to fully understand the next video. Now, I went to Virginia's UFO sightings, and I found this picture right here that a couple posted, and it also happened to be on the exact same date and time, okay, or the same date rather, a couple hours before the last triangular video. But look at this, guys. This, I believe, this is the Tic Tac UFO that Commander Fravor spoke of. You see this object. It's under intelligent flight control. It's making these aggressive turns from the east to the west. And there's just no other way to explain this, okay? It's not a lightning bug. It's not a bug. It's not a drone. It's not a plane. I mean, you'll see it right here. It comes out of the cloud, goes down, boom, makes a left-hand turn, and then there's a secondary UFO UAP coming down north to south. Now, are we going to zoom in? Absolutely we are. Again, you see it right there, manifesting behind the cloud, goes up, and this particular one just kind of darts off into space, just like they described with the USS Nimitz. They said it went up to 20, 30, 40,000 feet, and it was playing like cat and mouse games with fighter jets and fighter jet pilots. Now, this dude here, he's just kind of cruising along. That could be a satellite. And you see this little spiral trail on this one coming down. But okay, keep your eyes focused to the left right there. Look at that. There he is right there. Boom, aggressive turn. That is intelligent flight control. There is no explanation. We don't have any conventional aircraft that is capable of doing that. I mean, the inertia would literally, I mean, I don't want to use the K word, but it would unalive you. Okay, if you were in this vehicle, you would be unalive. Let me just put it that way. Again, guys, you see, this one goes up, goes down. There's a total of 4 UFOs, UAPs in this video segment. Okay, again, you see one kind of falling down, and watch this. Bam, there it goes. Incredible. I believe this, again, I do believe, this isn't hyperbole, I believe this is the Tic Tac craft that Fravor and others spoke of. I really do. I mean, I can't explain this. Maybe you guys can, and you have to put it all into context. This area is a UFO hotspot. All right, let's have another look like we always do. We'll kind of go through it again. You see the orb behind the cloud. It comes down, makes the hard turn. Now, what I do when I'm trying to debunk these videos, and I always try to debunk them before I bring them to you, I zoom in as far as I can, and I want to be 100% certain, 100% positive that it's behind the cloud. And this orb, this Tic Tac, whatever you want to call it, it is absolutely 100% behind the cloud. Okay, now on his channel, okay, this guy that has the Weather Center, you can see examples of lightning bugs or June bugs or perhaps a moth or something like that, and you know, it's night and day. You can absolutely tell it's a bug. Now in this case, it's not. You also have to remember we're zoomed in about 200, 300, and sometimes 400% right now. Like what you're looking at right now is like 300% zoom. Okay, so if it was a bug, you wouldn't be able to see anything. Okay, and when you're watching the original video, it's very hard to see. Okay, another very important detail. It's silent. You don't hear any noise. You can hear, just the ambient sounds that you would hear at night around you in the original video, but these crafts, they're absolutely silent. So I don't know, guys. Look, I'll probably leave it at that. This is truly incredible, and please leave a comment below. I encourage all of you to go back and watch my last video. Please support us here at Nocturnal News. I made the case in my last video. I think we are becoming one of the best